banger. We make sure this one hand.
Hopefully they sean mangoñeñas.
Got a little GTR right there. See how packed this space actually is. Oh yeah, it's hella packed. Holy shit.
Bro, hey, this
2.1.
big car, bro.
Thank you, appreciate it. Thank you. Shit, this is probably one of the craziest meets, if not the biggest meet I've been to this year. Got some badass cars like that Ford over there. Boss 302. Those Cosbys? They are, huh? They are Cosbys. That's gap from this year right here. Just a badass ZL1 on a 4-star beat log. That hood that everybody gets on their cars. Another Z06, a full beat log. That's dope. This is, if not the cleanest grad sport I've ever seen. I get second gear, first and second. Alright YouTube, that's basically the end of the video. What we're gonna do real quick is to show you guys the Corvette now as it is on the Weld Drag Setup. I know I haven't really uploaded any movement or any progress on the Corvette, but trust me, I have a lot of stuff pending. So I do have the Weld beadlocks in the rear, Venturas, with a 325, 35, 18 Mickey Thompson in the rear, ET Street R. I also have the front runners too as well. So that's currently, as the vehicle sits currently right now, completely stock, on a drag setup, ready to go. We did do some testing already in the car. It's pretty fun. I can't wait to actually take it out to the track and show you guys what this car actually has. Just like in the previous clip, racing that Daytona Hellcat, that was actually a complete surprise. I wasn't expecting to take out a boosted car. You guys can tell by my reaction at the end of the clip. I was actually very surprised that the car actually took out a Hellcat. But yeah, that was honestly, I was very in utter shock that that actually happened. But as of now, this is currently how the car sits. I do have a Paragon exhaust actually delivered already. Just waiting for a day to actually install that. It's probably going to be sometime this week on a Tuesday. I'm not 100% sure exactly what day I'm going to be able to have time to actually do so. But for sure, it's going to have an exhaust system. We're also do a dyno with Speedline Motorsports. I already got in communication with him. We're going to set up a little date so that way we can actually dyno the car, see what it does. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Catch you guys in the next one.